Uh, hey guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to add contributors to Wix. So let's go to Wix dashboard first. Then you have to click on settings. After click on settings, scroll down and you'll find here roles and permissions. This one, click on this. Now you can see here invite collaborators. You have to click on invite collaborators to add contributors. Now you can see many badges here. CMS editor, content writer, admin corner. I'm choosing the admin corner. If you want to change or limit the permissions to admin corner, you can click on this view role permissions and you have to click on this duplicate and edit. Then you can write here copy of admin and you can write here the description. After that you can see your editor. If you don't want to give the access of editing, you can click on select all and it will be deselect. And CMS, if you don't want to permission of CMS, you have to click on select all, then click on save. Click on save. Now you have to click on this search box or the name box and you have to give the uh, email of that person and you have to click on send invite and you can skip this part. Now invitation has been sent successfully. Now if this person go to his email and check this email, and if he accept the invitation, he will be a co-owner or the admin of your page. So this is how you can add contributors in your Wix. So if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.